Gaining extra weight is like a hazard for many of us. Not only does extra weight make our everyday life a bit more hassle, it is also harmful for your health. Let's begin with the story of an obese man. While looking in the mirror, he sometimes notices that he's getting heavier. A gym is his next step, and everything will be great from there. This notion evaporates as soon as he exits the room. He subsequently concludes that he has little time to join a gym. How many of us go through the same routine every day? And the general reason for it all is that we don't have enough time. Workouts are crucial for weight loss, physical and emotional wellness. Surprisingly, according to the CDC, the obesity rate in the United States was 42.4% in 2017 to 2018. In most recent exercise statistics, the majority of Americans age 6 and over do not exercise. Annual healthcare costs in the United States are estimated at $117 billion. We are all pressed for time, so we tend to skip our workouts. Wouldn't you think that's the most logical course of action to follow? Why bother with a few minutes of exercise if it won't do any good? Well, let's just say it's going to. You read that correctly. It's amazing what a 5-minute workout can do for the body. Surprised by what you just read or heard? According to famous Flecther, creator of America's Next Great Trainer, we will discuss some simple 5-minute workouts that can benefit your health in ways you never thought. This wonderful exercise strengthening and burning calories might help you become more coordinated as well. Squat thrust, mountain climbers, medicine ball burpees, kettlebell burpees, and squat thrusts with gliding discs are 6 movements that can assist you enhance the intensity of burpees. This is a simple and efficient method in our opinion. Your heart rate will increase when you do jump jacks. Additionally, your joints and muscles will be loosened as a result of this exercise. These exercises that increase upper body and core strength, such as push-ups, may be the right solution. Beginners can start with simpler variants and work their way up to the conventional push-up, while more expert exercisers can discover a more demanding variety. This aerobic workout develops muscle strength, flexibility, and stamina. Your body will be less stressed if you run on a carpet or cushioning. A strong core and upper body are required, and running helps build these, in addition to a strong bottom body. Your knees may get stronger and healthier as a result. Do each exercise for 1 minute, then switch to the next exercise. 15 seconds of rest are required between each action. Fletcher's second 5-minute weight loss program is focused on repetitions, not on the amount of time spent. In the beginning, make any necessary modifications. Don't forget to increase resistance as your fitness level improves. Before talking further, you should perform the following exercise a total of 12 times. Repetition of the sequence is encouraged. The bicycle crunch is an excellent ab workout, targeting not just the conventional abs but also the deep abs and the obliques. If you want to work your core, this no equipment beginner's level workout you can do anywhere. The jump lunge is a more advanced variant of the standard walking lunge exercise, adding a leap to increase the intensity. This exercise can be added to your high-intensity interval training routine, and because this exercise requires no equipment, you can perform it anytime and anywhere. Squat jumps are a strong plyometric workout that strengthens your entire lower body and boosts your heart rate, resulting in a considerable calorie expenditure. Vertical jump, high jump, long jump, and box jumps are often developed with this exercise. Since squat jumps can be done in a short space without any equipment, they are a wonderful exercise to add in home workouts. Daily physical activity is recommended, but there will be times when you're unable to finish the 5-minute routine. Should you entirely abandon your weight reduction exercise plan? The response from Fletcher is a resounding no. His advice is to never give up. The key to success is maintaining a level of consistency, but things happen and days are lost. He advises you to refocus and maintain the course in your current direction. After exercising, He adds, consume the proper meals to keep you satiated and on track with your weight reduction goals. So that's all for today's video, which is definitely going to help you get fit and lose weight by just following 5 minutes of workout. Let us know which exercise do you think you can follow for weight loss.
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.